What if your home didn't just travel with you, but elevated the very idea of travel itself? Today we're exploring one of the most luxurious motorhomes on the planet, the ForeTravel Presidential Series, a coach where craftsmanship, power, and comfort merge into a single masterpiece on wheels. This isn't just an RV, it's a drivable, luxury estate built for adventurers and refined travelers alike. Every once in a while, a vehicle comes along that doesn't just raise the bar, it redefines what the bar is. The ForeTravel Presidential Series sits at the very top of the luxury RV market. It's a Class A diesel pusher designed for people who refuse to compromise comfort, style, or performance even on the longest journeys. Underneath its stunning exterior lies a chassis engineered to dominate the road. Powered by a Cummins X15 turbo diesel engine and paired with an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission, this coach delivers unmatched power and torque, ensuring smooth cruising on highways, steep mountain passes, or cross-country adventures. This is a diesel pusher designed not just for long hauls, but for effortless, confident performance wherever you go. Step inside and you're greeted with a level of refinement that rivals high-end residential design. Handcrafted cabinetry, quartz countertops, and premium flooring set the tone immediately. Each Presidential Series interior is thoughtfully laid out to balance functionality with elegance. Imagine sliding open the living room, space to reveal plush seating worthy of a luxury suite. A spacious kitchen complete with high-end appliances makes meal prep feel more like cooking at home than cooking on the road. And when the day winds down, a bedroom oasis awaits, complete with comfortable sleeping space and ambient lighting. Crafted for relaxation, every inch of this coach speaks to every traveler's dream. Home, only better. The Presidential Series isn't luxury for luxury's sake, and it's luxury with purpose. Heated tile floors in premium models keep you comfortable on chilly mornings. Large residential-style showers and integrated laundry systems mean you can stay on the road longer without sacrificing convenience. Some floor plans even offer wine coolers, allowing you to entertain friends or unwind after a long drive in style. These amenities turn every journey into a first-class experience. The outside is just as impressive. ForeTravel's multicolor paint finishes aren't just eye-catching. They're a statement of craftsmanship, requiring hours of meticulous layering and polishing. Massive storage bays with organized compartments ensure that all your gear travels safely and conveniently. LED lighting, premium awnings, and perfectly integrated slide-outs show that every detail, down to the last screw, has been thoughtfully engineered. Driving a luxury coach like this should feel like driving a premium car, and ForeTravel delivers. Advanced 360-degree camera systems, collision avoidance technology, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control help take the stress out of long drives. Integrated safety features work seamlessly in the background, giving you confidence whether you're navigating tight spaces or cruising across states. This is not just a home on wheels, and it's a secure, intelligent travel machine. So what truly sets the ForeTravel Presidential Series apart? It's not just the horsepower, and it's not just the finishes, it's the experience. This is a coach built for those who love travel and expect the comforts of a high-end home, for people who want to explore breathtaking landscapes without compromising on quality, style, or convenience. This is an investment in a lifestyle, one where every journey feels like a getaway and every destination feels like home. From its powerful diesel engine to its luxurious living space, the ForeTravel Presidential Series represents the ultimate expression of what a motorhome can be. If you're dreaming of a home that moves with you, not just walls and wheels, but a life on the road in unmatched comfort, then this might just be the pinnacle. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most luxurious RVs on the market, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which RV you want us to explore next.